Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Underglow lights is probably one of the most eye-catching modifications you can make to your Jeep. These lights not only enhance your vehicle's appearance, giving it a unique and stylish look, but also improve visibility at night. Whether you're cruising down the highway or showing off at a car meet, Underglow lights are a fantastic way to personalize your Jeep and make a statement. Number 5. Nilight 252 LEDs RGB Underglow Strip Lights. Introducing the Nilight Underglow Strip Lights. This kit features 252 bright LED lights to make your car stand out. It enhances the look and feel of your driving experience. This Underglow kit offers a variety of modes. There are 8 static colors, jump and fade patterns, and sound-active modes. The lights will dance to the music, providing an amazing visual experience. The lights are IP68 waterproof and built to last. Strong adhesive and cable ties ensure a secure installation. You can drive in any weather, and they will stay on. Installation is simple with the included components. You can power it via the 12V cigarette lighter or a fused power cable. The kit fits most vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. The package includes everything you need. You'll receive the LED light strips, remote control box, and mounting hardware. It also includes a cigarette lighter plug and replacement fuses. What we like. This Underglow kit boasts ultra-bright LEDs and offers a variety of lighting modes to match your mood. It's also easy to install, making it a great choice for anyone looking to add some flair to their ride. If you like to customize your car's look with ease and enjoy a dynamic light show, you should consider this. What people say. Looks good on my Suburban. Lights work great and are plenty bright. Easy to install, put under my older camper for better night lighting, work great. Number 4. Govee RGBIC Car Lights. This car light offers over 16 million colors. You can even customize the colors by picking them from your favorite photos using the app. It's a great way to personalize your car's look. The lights can sync to your music. With the built-in microphone, they'll dance to the beat of your songs. Choose between different modes to match your driving style. Control the lights anytime with the Govee Home app. The app is stable and offers many functions for smooth daily use. It's easy to adjust settings and customize the lights. Installation is simple with the 2-line design and long wires. The package includes everything you need, and you can reinforce them with adhesives, clips, and screws for extra security. These lights are safe to use with a durable waterproof sleeve. They're protected from road debris and rain, suitable for various vehicles. Please use it within temperature range of -20°C to 80°C. Please be careful when installing the lights and avoid pulling the light strip with too much force. Also, avoid twisting or bending it. Make sure to use a DC 12-24V power supply. What we like. With RGBIC lighting, this product offers a vast palette of colors and effects, all controllable via a smart app. The music sync feature adds an extra layer of customization, perfect for those who love to cruise with a soundtrack. If you are looking for a smart, app-controlled underglow system that reacts to music, you should consider this. What people say. The Govee Underglow lights offer an astonishing 16 million colors to choose from. What sets these lights apart is the RGBIC, red, green, blue, independent control, technology. Each pod in the set can display multiple colors simultaneously, creating mesmerizing color combinations and gradients that move in sync. With 10 pre-programmed scene modes, I can instantly transform my car's appearance to suit the moment. Whether I'm cruising the city at night or parked at a party, there's a mode for it. Number 3. Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. Introducing the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. This kit features vibrant, multicolor neon lights that can be controlled via Bluetooth app. It's perfect for adding a unique touch to your vehicle. With the app, you can easily control the lights. It offers various modes, including music sync and flashing effects. You can customize the lighting to match your mood. These rock lights are built with a rock-solid construction. It features a die-cast aluminum housing and toughened glass. The lights are waterproof, shockproof, dust-proof, and rust-proof, ensuring durability in any condition. The Nilight rock lights are designed for a wide range of vehicles. It fits off-road vehicles, jeeps, trucks, ATVs, and more. It's a versatile lighting solution for various applications. The package includes everything you need for installation. It comes with 4 sets of rock lights, rubber pads, wiring harnesses, and a controller. Remember to connect the lights before powering them on. What we like. This rock light kit is fully app-controlled, allowing for easy customization of colors and modes. Its rugged construction ensures durability, and the universal fit means it can be installed on a variety of vehicles. If you have an off-road vehicle and want a durable, versatile lighting solution, you should consider this. What people say. Each puck has 3 committed diodes, 1 red, 1 green, 1 blue, which give bright, 3-tone light. The lights controller is a rugged plastic box. I have mine mounted under the cab of my truck, and I've had 0 issues with Bluetooth connectivity or responsiveness. The lights each come with 2 silicone pads for mounting them to the frame, 1 for flat surfaces and 1 for curved surfaces. Number 2. YCHOW-TECH RGB LED rock lights. These rock lights use high-brightness RGB LED chips with an upgraded 3D lens. They deliver a 180 degrees ultra-wide beam for vivid colors and enhanced visibility. It's perfect for trucks or stylish underglow LED lights for cars. Easily customize these underglow LED lights for cars via iOS or Android. You have access to 16 million colors and multiple lighting modes. This gives you full control over your vehicle's lights and underglow effects. Transform your ride with music-reactive rock lights, timing modes, and dazzling flash patterns. This turns your car, truck, or off-road vehicle into a mobile light show. Enjoy vibrant wheel lights and underbody glow. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, ATV, boat, or motorcycle, these rock lights are designed for easy installation. They can be installed on grills, wheel wells, undercarriages, or decks. These are the ultimate underglow LED lights for cars and off-road adventures. Each set includes 4 rock lights, 4 rubber pads, 4 wiring harnesses, and a controller. This ensures a hassle-free setup for upgrading your wheel lights or underglow system. Everything you need is right in a box. What we like. This kit offers super bright illumination and is easily controlled via an app, with multiple dynamic lighting modes to choose from. It's designed for easy installation on various vehicles, making it a versatile option. If you like to make a statement with vibrant wheel lights and underbody glow, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are super bright and the colors are very vibrant. The installation was pretty easy. The app is easy to use and has a lot of features. Number 1. RGB LED rock lights for trucks, jeeps, and more. These RGB LED rock lights will make your vehicle stand out with millions of color combinations. The lights are designed to withstand any terrain, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. It's a driving travel essential. Control the lights with both an app and an RF remote. You can adjust the colors, brightness, and sync modes to match your mood. The kit also includes 2 remote controls for your convenience. Customize the colors and music modes using your phone. The lights can sync to the music beat, creating a fun atmosphere. The smart brake effect turns the lights red when braking, acting as a warning signal. The bright illumination of the rock lights helps to disperse animals and increase vehicle visibility. This improves safety on the road, especially at night or in bad weather. It also makes the car more noticeable to others. Simply scan the QR code to download the app and connect via Bluetooth. The lights are suitable for various vehicles, including trucks, ATVs, and SUVs. These are waterproof exterior accessories. The lights allow you to inspect the undercarriage for damage after off-road driving. This helps spot potential issues before they become serious problems. This can help you maintain your vehicle. What we like. This product provides high brightness and dual-zone control via both app and RF remote. The smart brake effect adds an extra safety feature, making it a practical choice. If you are looking for a safety-focused underglow kit with advanced features, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are bright, easy to control, and offer a variety of color options. They were easy to install, came with all mounting hardware and extra wiring, nice remote, key FOB, optional on-off switch, and access to the phone app to control the function. They are water resistant, and Nemaji State Forest resistant. They have been through the mud and the sticks. They work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.